back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing this 2008 Nissan Frontier. It's a beautiful truck, the V6. It's amazing, look at that lift. It's a great truck. And I have the owner right here. What kind of lift is on it?
What's going on, guys? Yeah, here we got the Frontier. It's a Titan swapped Frontier. And what that means basically is the Titans and the Frontiers for certain years were built on the same frames. So basically you could swap in Titan suspension on your Frontier frame and get like a cheater way of getting like a mid-long travel sort of suspension. There's a million different ways you could set it up, but right here we got stock Titan lowers. You got Radflow suspension. You got your CST lift spindles, which get you up about 4 inches. We got your SPC upper control arms that allow you to finally clear that annoying coil bucket, because people that got Frontiers, you already know about the damn coil bucket. But anyway, so you got anything. You swap out your inner and outer tie rods. You can keep the same wheel hub assembly. All that stays the same, but you basically just swapping out the suspension for a cheap way. Well, not really cheap, it's really expensive, but you get a cheater way of getting a long travel suspension.
Okay, so how much did this suspension cost you, roughly?
Roughly, you're looking anywhere between 15 starting all the way to about 2,500 easily.
Well, that's kind of affordable in my eye.
I mean, you know,
that's affordable,
right?
You know, but it's a beautiful truck. What kind of wheels are you running?
These are the, I believe they're the Method 305s. They're in the anodized red. There was a limited run. I knew when I saw them, I just had to get them. I think they really go with the truck.
Are you planning not to swap it out to the V8?
Honestly, I want to keep this truck forever, so yeah. When this engine eventually dies, she's got about 200K on her, which I am amazed by. So everyone that hates on Nissans, you know, hey, they last.
We are in the rear of the truck. What kind of rack do you have on it?
The dual tube rack is made by a company called Heavy Metal Off-Road. Really cool guy. What do you call it? On top we got the Smitty built Gen 2 Overlander tent. I love it. It's the best tent that I've had so far.
Do you have any performance modification to it, like exhaust, supercharger, turbo, anything?
Yeah, I got what do you call it? A 3-inch. I exchanged the stock pipes, exhaust pipes for 3-inch pipes, just for better flow. I have a Black Widow Race Venom exhaust on it. I have an intake manifold spacer, which has been actually proven for the guys that know Nissans to up the horsepower and low end torque, which is really cool. I got a cold air intake. I think that's pretty much it for the engine wise. Not much you can do on these guys, sadly, till I get the V8.